Now, let me show you how you can add a music widget on your Mac. So as you can see, I'm currently on the desktop like this, and you can see that I'm accessing the widgets on the left panel. Those which I currently have can be found in here. So I can right click on the area and click on edit widgets, right? So you can see I can click on it like this. And from the bottom, this widget panel is gonna show up, and I can control the apps and scroll through the list. Obviously, I have some recommendations in here, but I can scroll through the options and essentially find the music. So it should be available in here. And if not, then you will need to use a different music app. For example, there is the YouTube Music, which I can click on. And as long as I have it installed on the iPhone, as you can see, it is from the iPhone, I'm going to be able to add it to my home screen. So it has actually 4 different types and 3 different sizes, really. So I can add it like this, and this is the music widget. But as you can see, it only kind of works for that particular music app. We don't have the official Apple Music, which you might expect. It is simply not in here. So you might also look for other alternative apps. For example, I have the ambient music widget, which is yet another app from my phone. So you can definitely add the music widget, but not perhaps the one which you are probably interested in, or not the official Apple Music one. So I hope it helps. That's what I wanted to explain. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below, and I'll see you later in future uploads.